Hello everyone, this is the third chapter for class 8th, that is charts in Excel. So through this video I will explain about the chart. Okay, so now let's start. So the first question that arises in our mind is what is chart and what is the use of chart. Okay, so a chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. We all know that what is worksheet. The Excel sheet is called worksheet. Okay, so what is chart is a graphical representation of data. Second thing is it is an effective way of displaying data in a pictorial form. So that means here we are not displaying data in text form. The data will be displayed in the form of picture. Okay, it helps to provide a better understanding of large quantities of data. Okay, and as well as chart make it easier to draw a comparison and see growth and relationship among the values and changes in data. Okay, and chart provides an accurate analysis of information. Okay, so there are so many benefits of chart. Okay, so once again, what is chart? So chart is a graphical representation of a huge amount of data. Okay, and it provides us an accurate analysis of information. The next topic is components of a chart. Okay, so using this chart I will indicate all the components of a chart. So we can observe here these all are the components of a chart, like chart area, category axis, value axis, data series, etc. So the first component is chart area. So first of all, what is chart area? So chart area includes all the area and objects in the chart. Okay, so here we can observe this blue border is containing all the objects, or we can say the area of the chart. So this is the chart area. Okay, so this blue border is the chart area because this is containing all the objects and components of this chart. Okay, second component is category axis. Okay, so what is category axis? Category axis, or we can say x axis. Okay, this is the horizontal axis of the chart. And which is the horizontal axis? This red line is the horizontal axis here. Okay, so this is the category axis. Next component is values axis. So what is values axis? Values axis, or we can say y axis, that is the vertical axis which is used to plot the values. Okay, so here we can see this black line is indicating the value axis, and as well as we can observe these values are present here like 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. Okay, so this vertical axis is the value axis, and this horizontal axis is the category axis of the chart. Okay, the next component is data series. So what is the data series? Data series are the bars, okay, slices or other elements that show the data values. Okay, so we can observe here these are the slices, okay, or bars which are known as data series. Okay, if there are multiple data series in the chart, so each will have a different color or style. We can observe here, so there are multiple data series are present in this chart. Okay, so here that's why we have different colors for the bars. Okay, so these are the data series. The next component is category name. Okay, so what is category name? Category names are the labels which are displayed on the x and y axis. Okay, so here we can observe Aman, Aniket, Ansul, Anubhav. These all are the category name. Okay, next component is plot area. Okay, so plot area is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself. Okay, and includes plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Okay, so what is plot area? This is the plot area. Okay, this one. Okay, so this one is the plot area. These all, because the plot area contains value axis, or okay, category axis, as well as plotted data, okay, and data series also. Okay, so this one is the plot area. Okay, next component is legend. Okay, so first of all, what is legend? So legend depicts the colors, patterns, or symbols assigned to the data series. Okay, as well as this legend helps to differentiate the data which are contained by the data series. Okay, so here we can see blue for math, okay, orange for English, and gray for science. Okay, so from these legend we can understand which data series is containing of which type of data. Okay, and the last component is chart title. So here we can see this is the chart title. This is containing the unit test. Okay, so this component is called chart title. Okay, so these all are the different components of a chart. Okay, next topic is types of chart. So MS Excel offers a wide range of charts to interpret data. Okay, so this is a list of different types of chart which are available in MS Excel. Okay, so I will explain means some important or basic chart from this list. Okay, and I will show the practical example, okay, in the MS Excel. Now I am going to explain how can we create a chart in Excel. Okay, so here this is the data which I have entered here. Okay, so here are some names are present here, as well as the marks of these students are entered here. Okay, so whenever we are going to insert the chart in MS Excel, okay, so first of all select the range. Okay, select the range of data of which we want to create the chart. Okay, so now I'm going to select this range. Okay, hold the shift key and click the last one. Okay, so now this is the range of this data which has selected. So after the selection of range, okay, click the insert tab. Okay, this is the insert tab, and we can see this is the chart group. Okay, this group is the charts group. Okay, so simply click the recommended charts. Okay, so click it, and now we'll get the dialog box of insert chart. Then click the all charts tab from here, and then we can observe this is the list of different type of charts which are present in MS Excel. Okay, and by default the column chart is selected. Okay, and simply click the OK button. Okay, so one chart has entered or inserted here. We can see that. Okay, this is the chart which is inserted here. Okay, we can observe this one, and whenever the chart has inserted in the Excel worksheet, so we can observe two tabs will automatically appear here. One is chart design and the other one is format tab. Okay, so by the help of these tabs we can make some changes, or we can say we can format this chart. Okay, we can see chart styles group is here. Okay, so from here we can choose any style from here, any chart style from here. We can see whenever I am just moving the mouse pointer over these styles, then automatically the changes is appearing on the chart. Okay, so we can select any one from these styles. Okay, suppose that I am just choosing this one, so this style has automatically applied in this chart. Okay, Now I am going to explain some types of charts. Okay, so the first one is bar chart. Okay, so bar chart illustrates the data comparison between individual items. It displays data in the form of bars that are placed vertically or horizontally on the chart area. In this type of chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Okay, so now I am just going to explain it practically. Okay, so first of all, open the MS Excel screen. Suppose this is the data of which I want to create the chart. Okay, so first of all, select the whole data as a range. Okay, I'm just doing that. So this is the selection of this data. Okay, by the help of this selection, I have selected a range. Okay, then simply click the insert tab. Then this is the chart charts group, and here we can observe recommended charts is the option. Click on it and then select the all chart tab from insert chart dialog box. Okay, and this is the list of all the charts which are present in MS Excel. Okay, so one of them is bar. So just simply click the bar, choose the bar chart. Okay, and click the OK button. Okay, so now on the screen we can observe this is the bar chart. Okay, and here we can see the value axis are containing the categories. Okay, and the horizontal axis, or we can say the category axis, is containing the values here. Okay, so this is the bar chart. The second chart is column chart. Okay, and this column chart is the default chart type of MS Excel. In this chart, categories are organized horizontally and values are organized vertically, just opposite of bar chart. Okay, so here the categories are organized horizontally and values are organized vertically to focus the magnitude of change over a period of time. Okay, so again I'm just showing that by the help of practical. Okay, again this is the MS Excel screen. This is the data of which I want to create the chart, column chart. Select the whole data. Okay, then again click the insert tab, recommended charts from charts group. Okay, again we will get insert chart dialog box. This time again we have to click the same all charts tab, and from here select the column chart is already selected because this is the by default chart type of in MS Excel. Okay, so here column is already selected. Simply click the OK button. Okay, so now we can see this is the column chart, and here just observe one thing. Here the value axis is displaying the values, and the horizontal axis, or we can say the category axis, is displaying the categories. Okay, so this is the column chart. Next chart is line chart. Okay, so it is the form of lines, and it is quite similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its values on the x and y axis. Okay, it is generally used to represent huge amount of data. Okay, so just understand this chart practically. Again, this is the MS Excel screen. Select the whole data. Okay, then insert tab, then recommended charts, then again all charts. Okay, and from this list select the line option from here and click the OK button. Okay, so we can observe this is the line chart. Okay, and just one more thing, we can observe that the above data is represented through this line chart. Okay, so here we can see the blue line is displaying the marks of English. Okay, so simply just observe from here the marks of Kabir in English are 65, and the marks of Raj is 76. Riddhima is containing scoring 78 marks. Okay, so we can observe by the help of this line chart all the data which is present in this table. Okay, so this is the line chart. The next chart is pie chart. Okay, so this chart displays data in circle form that is divided into a series of segments, or we can say a series of parts. Okay, and these segments show the relative size of each item in the chart, and this chart type works best with smaller number of values. Okay, so just observe this chart practically again. This is the MS Excel screen. Select the whole data like this. Insert, recommended charts. Okay, all charts. This time choose the pie option from here and click the OK button. Okay, so I told you that pie chart is this chart type works best with the smaller number of values. Okay, so that's why here we are getting only the chart of English marks of each student. Okay, so here we can observe that. Okay, the highest marks in English is of Riddhima. Okay, so the segment of Riddhima is larger than other segments. Okay, so we can see that this is the pie chart. Okay, and pie chart is actually works with smaller amount of data. Okay, so that's why we get here only the marks of English. Okay, by means in the form of chart. Next topic is moving, resizing, deleting charts in Excel. Okay, so the first one is moving any chart. Okay, so to move a chart, simply just place the mouse cursor above the chart. Okay, select the chart, and whenever the mouse cursors change into four-headed arrow, we can observe that this cursor has changed into four-headed arrow. Okay, so now we can move this chart anywhere on the screen on the MS Excel worksheet. Okay, we can move it from one place to another place like this. Okay, so this is the way by which we can move a chart from one place to another place on the worksheet. Okay, next one is resizing the chart. Okay, so if we want to resize the chart, okay, so we have to perform some steps. Okay, the first one is simply click the chart area. Okay, like this. So whenever we click the chart area, we can observe that at the border of chart, okay, these circles are appearing. Okay, so simply place the mouse pointer above the circle. Okay, and the mouse pointer will change into the double-headed arrow. Okay, now we can move this handle according to our need. Okay, if you want to resize the if you want to decrease the size of chart, okay, so simply do this, and the size of chart will be decreased. Okay, and if you want to increase the size of the chart, so again place the mouse pointer in this above this circle. Again the mouse pointer will change into double-headed arrow. Okay, now we can increase the size of chart like this. Okay, so this is the way by which we can increase or decrease the size of chart. Okay, and the last one is if you want to delete the chart from this worksheet. Okay, so simply click anywhere on the chart area. Okay, and simply press the delete key from keyboard like this. Okay, I'm doing that, and now we can observe the chart has deleted from the worksheet. Okay, so this is the end of part 1 of this chapter. Okay, later I will come with the part 2 of this chapter. Thanking you.